What is up, guys? It's your boy. We are here again in the RV. I don't remember if y'all remember all those stains that was on the roof that we got out with our Folex. I have some Folex here. It's just in a clear bottle. I took what I had at home, put it in a bigger pump bottle. But hopefully y'all can see that stain there from the shower. And if you have this going on in your RV, stuff like this, what I recommend doing is getting you some Folex, spraying the area down, taking you a shop vac or a vacuum cleaner, but spray that stuff down, let it sit for just a couple minutes, and then agitate it. You can do it with your fingers because that stuff is good. It's not going to mess with you. But you can use your fingers or a towel, a damp towel, kind of rub it in everywhere, and then take your vacuum cleaner and suck the moisture that's on the ceiling off to get this out. As you can see here, it's pretty significant. Back up in here, see if you can see that, how dark that is. See that? We're going to see how light we can make it today. It has been in the motorhome now for about 2 years, and it's been sitting out in the sun just baking in. I recommend trying to do this as soon as you see this, but we're going to see how good that Folex works today just using that. And then what I'm using is just a little Bissell spot pet cleaner thing that actually heats the water up in it. But you can spray it with a little water, put your Folex on there, spray your Folex on, agitate it in, and we're going to do this main spot first, see if we can't get it to lighten up, and I'm going to come back on the camera because I left my freaking tripod at home. But this is going to help one of y'all. I have another video on my channel, Huckabee Adventures, where I showed me doing the hallway and everything a few years ago. So we're going to tackle this. I'm going to come back after I get a couple spots clean and let y'all see the difference. Alright, so we got the ceiling all done. So you can see all those water spots that was in this area here are all gone. All the ones around here is all gone. We got it all cleaned up. Looks good. The only problem spot we got is way back there in the shower, which you probably can't see. It looks way darker on there than what it actually is. But I'll do some side-by-side comparisons. on it and let y'all see what it looks like before and after. But I used Folex, a little bit of elbow grease, scrubbed it a little bit, sprayed her down, and it's good to go. Do not use Febreze or bleach or anything like that. It'll mess everything up. Use the Folex and a vacuum cleaner, but make sure you mix. If you spray Folex on, you need to put water on after it. A little bit of water. Let it sit for a couple minutes and then suck it all out of there, and you'll get the results like that. But save you hundreds of dollars, maybe even thousands of dollars, especially if you're getting ready to trade your RV in on something else. If y'all want a more in-depth look of how I actually do that, you can refer back to my other video. I'll actually put a link up here somewhere. There, right there. Check it out, and it'll show you more of what I did when I did the ceiling in here. That still looks good. And it's been 2 years since I did the ceiling in this thing. So much love. If it helped you out, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that good jazz. If it helped you out in any ways, let me know down in the comments. And until next time, peace.